This is on classifying quadrilaterals. What in the world is a quadrilateral?
Something that we don't even mention.
Who knows?
Is it
Yes.
a shape with 4 sides?
Shape with 4 sides.
Oh, we already
So,
talked about that.
everybody look at this book, and as you can see, there are many shapes with 4 sides. Does everybody see that?
Mm-hmm.
On page 223. All right? There's a lot of different ways that we can draw shapes that have 4 sides. Okay, let's talk about one of them. Okay, it's called a parallelogram. Okay, so if you're taking notes, go on and put this one down. Parallelogram. Okay, a parallelogram is 2 sides that form parallel lines. Okay, so both pair have parallel lines. Yes.
My mom tells me to remember because of the 2 L's.
Yes, you're exactly right. I think I shared that with y'all last time too. The 2 L's kind of help you know what parallel means. 2 lines that have the same exact distance across from each other. Okay? So watch this. The state of Tennessee is actually a parallel quadrilateral. So watch this. You see how the sides are parallel and then the top and the bottom are parallel. Okay? So the state of Tennessee actually ends up being a parallelogram. All right? Here's another parallelogram. This time, I'm going to have really long, lines, okay? And then the bottom line and the top line are parallel. So this pair is parallel, and this pair is parallel, okay? All right, try this one. This one kind of looks like a diamond. Okay?
It is a diamond.
It is a diamond. Okay, but does everybody see that this line and this line are parallel? And then this line and this line are parallel. Does everybody see how they're working? And then very good. Just a normal square is parallel because those 2 lines are parallel and those 2 lines are parallel.
That's cool.
Very good, huh?
I thought they had to be like straight up and down right beside each other.
Nope.
I thought they had to be like that.
They can be far apart as long as they have the same.
We're drawing a shape without parallel.
Right. Okay. So what is this called?
Parallel.
Okay. So and what are we talking about? What was the big word? Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Hopefully I spelled that right. Remember, this is not spelling class. Yay! Okay. Now, so we've learned about parallelograms. The next thing we're going to learn about is trapezoids. Any of y'all ever heard that before?
Yes.
Okay. Does anybody know what a trapezoid is?
No.
Oh, trapezoid.
A trapezoid. You think you know?
Isn't it like a?
Yes, you've got the right shape that you're drawing with your fingers, but it actually means something. Only 2 of the lines are parallel. The other 2 are not. Okay? So an example of a trapezoid is this is parallel to this, right?
No. Yes.
Yeah, just those that are not the same distance doesn't mean they're not parallel. Okay, but look at these next 2 lines. Is that one parallel with that one? Are these 2 parallel?
Not really.
No. So a trapezoid has 1 pair of lines that are parallel, but not the other. Yeah, and there's a ton of them down there, okay? So I drew the first one. Here's another one that they drew. See that one? Here's another one. Okay? Look at that one. Okay, it has 4 sides, which makes it a quadrilateral. Which 2 lines are parallel?
The top and
the bottom. The sides are not. Does everybody see that? Okay, and then here's even another one that they drew.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
I know, it looks kind of funny, doesn't it? Okay,
like
which 2 lines are parallel? The sides. These 2 are. Okay, these 2 are not. So does everybody see what a trapezoid is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, the next one is called trapezium. Trapezium. Okay? Does anybody know what a trapezium is?
No.
It's a shape with no parallel lines.
How do you do that?
Oh, I know what.
Okay? What?
Circle.
Oh, yeah, but it has to have 4 because it's still under the quadrilaterals.
Oh.
Yeah.
Triangle. Oh.
Yeah, no, that would be 3. So an example of this one would be, and I'm going to draw this one. Okay, these ones are a little bit harder. These are trapeziums, okay? So I've got this one, and then this one goes this way. So that's the top and the bottom. And then this is one of the sides, and this is the other side.
That's
So none of those are at all parallel. These ones would be close, but they're not. Does everybody see that? All right, here's another one. This one kind of looks like the Superman, sort of. It's more like a diamond, a long diamond.
Can I
Okay, this one actually is kind of more out. So here's this one, and then here's this one. So that if this one was curved more like this, it would be. And this one's more out, and this one's more in, kind of. Does everybody see how that one doesn't work?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's another one that they drew.
Can I see that first one that you drew? Can't see it.
This one.
Yeah, I need to see it.
Okay. Here's another one. This side and this side are not parallel, and this top and this bottom are not parallel. All right. So does everybody understand what a trapezium is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So everybody tell me. Is everybody done writing that?
Oh no.
No. Yes.
Okay, I'll wait.
Is this kind of how that first one's supposed to look?
Yes, very good. You got it. Okay. Is everybody good? You've written down? Okay. Now, so somebody tell me, what is a parallelogram? Yes.
2 lines that are like together.
Together, well, we can just call them parallel. It's not just 2,
4.
2 pairs.
2 pairs.
So 2, that's 1 pair that's parallel, and that's 2 pairs that are parallel.
That
Understand?
doesn't really look parallel.
Okay, well, just use your imagination. Okay, so what's a trapezoid? Yes.
With only 2 that are.
1 pair is what we call it. One
Yeah,
pair
is matching.
is parallel, and the other 2 are not. What is a trapezium?
One with no.
No, none of the lines are parallel. Very good. All right, now, so we've learned about quadrilaterals, and in the quadrilateral family, we have parallelograms, trapezoids, and trapeziums. Okay, and those are very distinct ones. Now, guess what? Within our parallelogram, we have 3 others. Okay? And these are normal ones that y'all completely get. One of them is a rectangle.
Oh.
Okay? Is this rectangle a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes. Because we have what? 2 pairs of lines that are parallel, right? Does everybody see that?
Yes.
All right. Here is, what's that one called?
Square.
Square. Okay? Are both pairs of lines parallel?
Yes.
Very good. Okay? And then the last one is called, okay, I'm going to try to do this one.
Diamond.
Okay, does anybody know what this one's called?
Diamond.
It's called a rhombus. And
Oh
I'm gonna-
yeah.
does anybody know what a rhombus
Wait,
is?
is that kind of like a diamond?
Is
or
it,
it's
um,
going out more?
Oh, I have a rhombus, but it looks different than that. My rhombus.
Oh,
is
that goes out a lot more than what you do.
A rhombus is just 4 sides of equal length. That's what a rhombus is, if you need
Is
to
this
know.
like it? Like, kind of. It looks
Kind
like it in the
of.
book.
Yeah, but these need to be parallel. This one and this one.
Mm.
Okay? A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. Okay, all the sides are equal in length. Most people think a rhombus is a diamond. That's what it's kind of saying. Okay. Okay. So, would a square be considered a rhombus?
No.
Yes.
Listen.
Yes.
Why? It would. Because what did I tell you a rhombus was? Yes.
It was, well, it's two parallel sides.
Yes, because it's parallelogram.
But if you flip
But what made a rhombus a rhombus?
If you,
It has 4 equal sides.
4 equal sides. Does a square have 4 equal sides?
yes.
Ah,
Rectangle.
good. Okay. All right. A square, is a square a parallelogram?
Yes.
Is a square a rhombus?
Yes.
Is a square, ooh, I didn't share you with this one. What a rectangle is, listen to this. A rectangle has 4 congruent angles. Now listen to
They're all
that.
right angles.
4 congruent angles. What does congruent mean?
I know.
The same.
Yes, the same. Okay. So they're actually saying that a square is actually even considered a rectangle. A rectangle is actually considered a square because it has 4 congruent angles. Isn't that weird? You've never really heard that before. Okay.
Rhombus.
But the trapezoid, is it considered a square?
No.
No. Okay, so that one would be the one you'd say, no, not it. All right? All right, that's lesson 45.